Half is More, a house in progress by Atelier Shantanu Autade Studioboxx in Dhotre, India. The proposed house is in the village of Dhotre near Kopargaon, Maharashtra. This house started with studies on the rural economy of Maharashtra, where studies show a great fall in rural economic growth for many years. Farmers don't get an assurance of earning after harvesting. This house handles an issue of rural economy and house. The proposed built form is an experiment to explore the idea of expanding the house. This resembles with farmer's attitude, where he compromises on essential things because of uncertainty and tends to complete them partly. The proposed house is composed of two built forms connected by a covered passageway. Out of these two, one block is built using the cost-effective experimental approach to construction, which includes RCC construction till the plinth, load-bearing walls with rat trap bond, fabricated floor rested on brickwork, shingle roofing to cover the house, lightweight roof. The house is a prototype capturing the realities of a lifestyle at the intersection between traditional and modern, neither rural nor urban. This project proposes strategies for an accommodative, adaptive, and innovative built form, following up research on incremental approaches to building, to demonstrate an apt rural response. This house looks closely at the life of an agriculturalist and narrates his idea of living life. Half is More. Talking about a proposed block shows a transition from a diverse social space to a singular private space which resembles the house form of old Havelis from the north to Chettinad houses in the south of India. As this house is meant for the agriculturalist, who seeks a plural space that accommodates many things. In the rural context, the threshold/veranda plays an important role where it is connecting with the outside world. Veranda is a key kinetic space of the house because of its multiple uses throughout the daytime. The courtyard in the house allows the house to breathe and make way for daylight inside. It provides an additional room size in a cramped dwelling space, which is used for stacking grains, seating or talking with friends, sleeping at night, etc. The opening of the courtyard from the top is covered with recycled glass which traps the heat at the top, while the parallel wall on both sides is perforated which allows heated air to flow. A tree placed in the court provides shade and keeps the space moist. Beyond the courtyard, on the upper floor of the house have two bedrooms, which sit on top of the cooking and sleeping space below. The bedrooms above extend to the terrace, which is open to the sky. This terrace forms an important plural space, especially for women to conduct various activities like making various dried foods, pickles, etc. Terrace allows a cool breeze to enter the house during the night from the west. This house discusses the idea of a progressive rural house model with limited resources and passive techniques for climate control. The space-making exercise attempted to make a place for all, realizing the lifestyle of the owner.